Hello friends, welcome to the session on electronic circuits on my YouTube channel with my name Yugal Pachauri. From last few days, I'm making videos on the review of Electronics for You magazine. But this video is a slight change. It will be, although it will be covering the updates of Electronics for You magazine in in its third part. This is going to be the third part of the video. But the topic of this particular video is slightly changed. It is session on electronic updates. So it is a kind of a session for you, for all my dear friends who are in the field of electronics and all my dear students who are studying electronics and communication. And because I was a teacher and presently I'm doing PhD from IIT Madras. Let's continue the session. We will talk about a lot of updates from the electronics. What are the major changes happening and what are the updates of electronics? Let me share my screen with you all so that I can carry on the session with you. Okay. So here is my screen is in front of me. Now you can see my screen. And let me put this slogan over here so that you can see me very nicely. And let's carry on. Uh, the yeah. So we were discussing a few things. We were discussing in the second part of the video. We have discussed a lot of things. Now coming to the channel audio amplifier, 4-channel audio amplifier, and GAN Class D audio amplifier. So these are the audio amplifier. Let's take one by one. 2.1 channel Class D audio amplifier features a design with high efficiency architecture and active EQ for bass equalization. The setup reverse sound quality from a small closing. So it is an audio amplifier which has these properties in it. And the Class D 2.1, and these are the these are the features of this particular audio amplifier. And it is an analog device, and you can go on to this more updates on this particular reference designed for a 1-channel audio amplifier. Now, it has been developed by Analog Devices, which is a company in the field of electronics. Now, take on to the another thing, 4-channel audio amplifier. The Class D amplifier mimics a Class AB amplifier for easier evaluation, solving thermal and noise issue. So it will sort out thermal and noise issues. It is optimized for compact spaces, robust enough for harsh automotive conditions, meet CIS PR25 standards for electromagnetic interference. Okay. So this is the thing, and this is developed by Texas Instrument. And there is one more amplifier this magazine is talking about. It is gallium nitride or nitrogen Class D audio amplifier. And you can look at the image, look at the fabrication of this particular amplifier. And this is the Class D audio amplifier. It's a high performance platform delivering up to 400 watts with minimum or less, featuring up over 96%. Okay, so you got the point. Now you can get this data and read it. And it has been developed by Infineon Technology. It is again a company in the field of electronics. And if you want more, you can click on this link, get this link. And yes, at this juncture point of time, I would like to say that if anyone wants a copy of this magazine, because only the subscriber can download this magazine, can mail me. You can find my mail ID in the description box or in my introduction of the YouTube channel. You can find it over here and you can mail me. I will definitely provide you the soft copy of this particular magazine. And you can take screenshot of the video and comment about it, and I will definitely try to reply with it. Because it is a very nice session. I got a good number of views in the first video and in the second video as well. And though it is my hobby, that's why I make videos. Now coming to the next topic, it is a design semicon. It is saying AI and IoT redefining. So everyone knows this. It is a session. Why I named this particular video as a session? Because the content that I'm delivering is not only related to Electronics for You magazine, but it is a content that of my reading as well. Means I also do read, and I was also an assistant professor in private engineering college. At present, I'm doing PhD. So I also have a habit of reading books of electronics. That's why I'm able to share my knowledge with you with the help of this YouTube channel. So, and I do get good comments. That's why I try to make them. So it says that there is a surge in demand of artificial intelligence or Internet of Things. Everyone knows that the present age is what you say directed by or stewarded by Internet of Things. Means अगर मैं इसको if I try to repeat this in Hindi means आज का जो युग है वो AI बेस्ड युग है और AI से ही सारे काम हो रहा है और AI से ही सारी एप्लीकेशन डिराइव हो रही हैं. So you can understand the dependency of AI on our technology, and you cannot miss away. You cannot forget the work of the Chat GPT and the way they are able to write papers, and it is trying to reduce the amount of the work of the researchers. And I also used to write few articles with the help of this Chat GPT, but you need to rephrase them because some things, if you only try to pick from the internet, then it is comes under the plagiarism. So you have to avoid this plagiarism as well if you are a researcher. But if you are a marketing person or if you are delivering some technology, then you can get the content from the Chat GPT. It does provide a good content. Okay. So moving on to the article, uh, it is they are showing us some statistics over here. They are saying that worldwide devices, global internet traffic, and billion devices. There are many million devices expanding over time. Over time means AI devices, IoT devices are expanding over time and time. And let's take some key driving agents in semiconductor evolution. Several key driving agents played significant role in shaping the industry over the years. Technology shift in AI compute requirement. The semiconductor industry experiencing a technology shift due to rising demand for AI application. Okay, so this is a great point. It means that the AI industry is increasing, so we are requiring more number of semiconductor for the AI applications. Now, next is surge in demand for sub-micron compute level compute. So we need such microprocessor at the sub-micron level to carry on the demands of the semiconductors for the AI application. So for that, we need processors as well. So our industry experts are focusing on these sub-micron level compute devices. So those people who are in the field of microelectronics or digital electronics or microprocessor can understand what this statement. Although I am also a reader of microelectronics and digital electronics and other embedded in microprocessor, but my keen area of interest is research area of interest is sensors. So I can directly relate to them, but more comment can be done by the professors of microprocessor, embedded system, or the what do you say, digital electronics. So these are the things. Now moving on to the next topic. So this is the thing. This is again a data. It is saying that ImageNet contest winning error rate, source Google. So human error rate should be minimum, and the error rate as the technology is advancing, the human error rate is reducing over the period of time. So yes, it is a good point. Like if we are working on any technology, then we must have less number of errors. For example, I am talking to you with the help of this YouTube channel, and if I talk blah blah blah, anything rubbish, then you will not accept my thoughts. You will only accept my thoughts only when I will try to speak logically and in a cohesive manner so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. So let's move on to the next topic. This is again some statistics. You can easily relate to them, take a screenshot of these things, and can understand more. Now, yeah, he's a famous scientist, and at present he is no more in this world. But you have his ideas are still very significant. And what he's saying, once you stop learning, you start dying. So, friends, you do not have to stop learning. You have to start learning every day so that you don't die. So this is a statement from the great scientist Albert Einstein. Yes. So again, the same thing. Moving on to the next topic. Yeah, this is a very good topic. Let me highlight this. This is the voice controlled. That I'm highlighting this. This is a voice controlled obstacle avoiding robot using Bluetooth and Arduino Uno. Everyone know what is Arduino Uno because it has been more than 10 years that 10 to 15 years the Arduino Uno is in the market. It is enabled with the help of the Zigbee signal and with the help of the Bluetooth as well. And with this, we are enabling a voice controlled robot which should avoid obstacle with the help of the voice. So how does this robot look like? It is looking like this. And who are the inventor of this? Dr. M. Renuka with YVD Kaustubh, P.S. Neeraj, Kotha Chaitanya, Banghari Pujitha, and M. Yamuna. So these are the inventors of this particular robot, which is an obstacle avoiding robot with the help of the Arduino Uno, Bluetooth, and which is controlled with the help of the voice. So you can understand the process. Let me try to explain this process in a bit. Like when we speak, we have some vocal cords. These vocal cords vibrates, and with the help of the coding techniques, we can understand the intuition, and not the intuition, it is intonation or the vocabulary of the voice. Such vocabulary are converted into electrical signal with the help of the sensors. Then they are decoded with the help of the readout circuit of the sensor, and they are amplified and their signal processed. Then they give a command to the stepper motor. So with the help of the voice, we can control the robots. So you can see in this video, these are the ultrasonic sensor, and this is the RFID module, this is um, a relay, and this is the Arduino Uno, and these are the two batteries, and these are the four tires which are connected with the stepper motor. So you can understand how this project is implemented with the help by these one, two, three, four, five students. So this is the thing that we have to understand and you can take this data sheet, how they have connected the Arduino Uno with the motor driver circuit. This data sheet of this connection is available over here. And this is the picture of the Arduino Uno that they have used motor driver shield with the Arduino Uno. So they have also used a motor driver shield, and this is how they have connected. Let me give you a screenshot of this so that you can understand. This is the point. They have like this is the circuit that they have tried to connect it in such a way so that they were able to control their robot with the help of the voice. So you can, if you want, you can take a screenshot of this and can get more information from this particular thing. And these are the programming. It is a programming, and you can go to the link of this as well if you found. And this is the actual image of what that they have presented. Now, this is the thing that they have. It is a great article on voice control robot, and you can Google about it and search more about it. This is a nice project which has been done by these five researchers or the five inventors. Now, what the component they have used, I already told you, Arduino Uno, which is a microcontroller, robot changes, which are four-wheel drives, gear DC motors, servo motors, ultrasonic sensor, motor driver shield, Bluetooth module, battery, switch, and jumper wires. So nowadays, many kits are also available. You have to search over the internet. You can go on the Google, you can go on the Amazon, find out the kits and do research and create wonderful projects. If you are a student and if you are industrialist, then you can pick ideas from anywhere where the field of electronics is so advanced that it is working with the help of the block technology. That's why you can do a bit more if you want. Now coming into the next article, it says that multi-switch control buzzer appliances. So this is a very common thing. This is nothing new, but still it is it's a buzzer that which is controlled by multiple switch. So all those who are students of electronics and the researcher or the industrialist can easily understand how we can control buzzers with the help of the switch. Even the buzzers can also be controlled with the help of the voice as well. Even many biometric signals are also used to control the buzzers. So this is the advancement, and this is the kind of circuit that they have made. You can take the screenshot of this particular circuit and can read more about it. Now, this is the um, tape design, the actual PCB design for the control buzzer, and this is the after for the fabrication, the UV after UV exposure. So this is the thing. This is not very new. This can be implemented very well. Now, moving on to the next topic, sawtooth wave generator. So they have tried to implement sawtooth wave generator, and it is implemented by Mr. Pradeep G. And again, this is the thing. Look at his small article. He says Pradeep is electronic design engineer based in Cochin, Kerala. His areas of interest are digital, optronics, wireless communication, and remote control, projects, and all type of sensor. So you can search about him. His name is Pradeep Ji, and you can connect over him. So yes, this is an interesting article. The smallest GPS tracker. There are many GPS tracker, and look at the size of the GPS tracker. It's just like a coin, 1 rupee coin or the 5 rupee coin, and it is the smallest GPS tracker. What to say, the global positioning system based tracking is one of the most important technology in today's world, which is very useful for from parcel updates to navigation and many different field of human life. However, if one wants to track small items, baggage, children, locations, or spy on someone, a very small, compact size tracker is often needed, which can easily be attached without tacking. So we need such GPS which should be small in size. So they have implemented a small GPS with the help of this particular circuit. And what are the component? And this is the programming that they have enabled, which can be absorbed by the Arduino software. And you can upload this program into the Arduino and get this program on the internet. And this is how the circuit works. These are the modules that they have used. They have used L86 GPS module, SIM 8001, SSS D1 306 OLED screen. These are the things that they have used and they have implemented in this way. Look at this image. These are the components. Again, the second image, the third image, the fourth image, the fifth image. And they were able to implement the smallest GPS tracker. And if you are working in this particular field of GPS tracking or the wireless communication, you can extract more information from this particular article. And smart switch for agriculture irrigation. And yes, the many sensors experts are working in the field of agriculture technology. They are trying to judge the moisture. They're trying to judge the temperature, humidity, and the soil fertility as well with the help of the different sensors. They collect the data and process over them. In the same way, we can develop some switches for the agriculture irrigation. Suppose what they are trying to implement, suppose they are working on a pump. If the pump is automatic controlled in the field of the agriculture, then it is going to be a great boon for the farmers who are doing farming. So it is a good project. And you can collect more details with the help of this. And this is the particular circuit diagram. Then you can take a screenshot of this and can collect more information. And if you want vaccine, you can definitely mail to me. I'll definitely provide you this vaccine. And this is not the copyright is not written because I have the access, so I can share the information. Again, one more product, GPS tracker with Arduino. So this is another GPS tracker. At present, a lot of work is going on in the GPS technology. And even the India also tried to build their own GPS. That is a Bharat GPS, BPS work. We were saying the name. I'm not exactly remember the name, but you can Google it. So India also tried to develop their own GPS system, just like China or the America. So these are the things. This is again the circuit for the GPS. Software, what kind of software? They have used software like Arduino IDE, GPS, software serial library, RX and receiver pins, receiver and transmitter pins are there. And this is the Arduino code, and this is the serial monitor code. These days, I'm also a researcher. I'm not any. These days, a lot of codes are available on the internet, and you can collect a lot of information. If you want the code of any, almost 90% of the cases of the any circuit code is available. Only the 10% times it happens that you do not have to find the code. And if you try to edit that code, then you can generate a new code according to you. So this is not very tough. And yes, friends, the chat GPT is also there. So if you want some programming skills to be improved, you just write the command to the chat GPT. It gives the code to you in the exact form. Then if you have a basic knowledge, then you can understand which code is given by the chat GPT and how you can alter it or changes to get the correct code. So these are the things. It is like you're talking to your friend who is an expert programmer, and you are a hardware engineer, but you do not know much about programming. So if you talk to your friend will give you right advice. And if you understand his or her advice, then you can do your own programming in the right direction. So these are the things. So I think this is Hyoki. And there's some AI-based car mechanism they are working EV vehicle maintenance with the integration of AI or IoT technology with the help of machine learning. Now, so this is the again EV vehicles advertisement. These are the pioneers of the technology. Mukesh Ajbani, MD Electronic Component Trading Firm. And you can understand this is the Tata Solar Power. So Tata is also working in the field of solar power technology. Now, so these are some advantages. Advertisements, Shakti Power to Lead, tubular batteries, National Controlling Equipment Industries. They are developing some power supplies, equipments, like power electronics equipments, LED signage, display boards, CCTV, industrial applications, automation, LED driver, adapter, transformers. So you can collect more data over here. So electronic B2B industry, you understand this, what the point. So again, one more thing, one more advertisement. This is about the Rajguru Electronics Private Limited, which are displaying LCD panels, small LCD panels. This is again the back side of the LCD panel. And again, this is the advertisement. You can check it now. So this is the thing. So I think I have covered this June issue in 3 parts, and I hope you will understand what I've tried to speak to you and try to give in my knowledge to you so that you can understand what I'm doing. Although when I make this video, it's a two-way process. I am also getting knowledge from while reading this magazine, and when I share to you, my knowledge become perfect. And in the process, the audience or the friends or the students or the industrialists, the experts or the researchers can also get the knowledge. So it is a good thing. It's a good practice for me. That's why I create these videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.